Hi, I'm Leave.
And I'm Abby.
We're here from Maple Organics to talk to you about gua sha, which is a traditional Chinese facial massage to help with puffiness and to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and drain all the fluid from your face to keep your skin looking nice and tight and healthy.
Yeah, so today we're going to be learning how to give ourselves the gua sha facial massage with our fingers, and we're going to be using the Rose Beauty Oil from Maple Organics. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 pumps of the oil and just place it in our hands, and as you'll see, the oil is actually quite orange, and that's because of the carotenoids that are in it, providing like a good radiance and glow into your face. And there's also some beta-carotene, which repairs and prevents premature aging. And there's also some lycopene from the sea buckthorn oil that's in here. And that prevents breakouts and inflammations. And so as Leave has just done, you just rub it in between your hands just to warm that oil up before you're applying it to your face.
It smells amazing, so that's always a bonus.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna place your hands, both your hands on your face, and slowly press down. You want to just incorporate that oil into your face.
After you've cleansed and you've got some water on there, just start by pressing that into your skin.
Yeah. And then you're going to slide your hands down from your nose to your ears in an outward motion, applying medium pressure. Nice. Yeah, and the Rose Beauty Oil is great because it improves the skin's density and surface with a high amount of omega-7, which nourishes and protects your skin. Yeah.
A lot of benefits in there for sure.
Definitely. Yeah. So the next part of this is you're going to take your hands and place them on your collarbone and slide them up your neck, releasing lymphatic fluid up your jawline. And this just helps to move fluid just away. Yeah. And so once you've kind of like warmed up your face, you've massaged your face, your neck, you're going to move on to massaging your face one side at a time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we're going to start at the jawline.
Jawline.
So we place 2 fingers at our jawline, and then we're going to take our other 2 fingers.
Or your thumb, whatever feels comfortable to you.
And then just run that up, following your jawline all the way up to your ear, and then give it a little wiggle kind of.
The wiggle will help to release the fluid that you're draining from your face.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to do that at the end of every few times you go along your jawline.
Yeah, it feels really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll do this 5 times.
5 times.
Yeah. Cool. So the next part of your face that you're going to move on to is your lower cheeks. So you're going to take your index finger and you're going to flatten it, and you're going to run it along the lower part of your cheek, across, and then up as you come closer to your ear. And again, you're going to want to keep that medium pressure.
Mm-hmm.
And you're always wanting to push away from your nose. You're releasing those fluids away from your face.
Yes.
Yeah. And again, so you repeat that 5 times. And from the lower cheek, you're going to move up to your upper cheek. So same idea, index finger, place along the side of your nose, and then moving out and then up as you get towards your temples.
Out and up. And give it a little wiggle, let that fluid release down that you're working out of your face. And 5 times seems to be the number.
Yeah, 5 times, and then medium pressure.
Medium pressure.
Yeah. From there, you're going to move on to your eyebrow. Okay. So you're taking your thumb and then your index finger, and you're placing it kind of along your brow, and then just tracing your brow along. Yeah. And just
brow, little wiggle.
Yeah, underneath your brow bone. And then again, that one is repeated 5 times.
Yes, 5 times. We're just doing the one side of our face now, so after you're done the one side, you're going to do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah. And so next part, so we've done our eyebrow, we're going to move on to the under eye. So really light pressure, because we don't want to disrupt this like sensitive and
very delicate skin
underneath.
So your ring finger or a baby finger, probably.
And just swipe it from the inside, kind of out to the outer corners of your eyes. Yeah.
Super
this
gently.
One, yeah, only has to be done 2 or 3 times. And last, we'd be working onto your forehead. So again,
your 3 fingers.
Yeah, so you can take 3 fingers, or you could do a flat finger, where you're just moving up from your eyebrow to your hairline and just pushing back again with medium pressure. This only has to be done about 3 times, but you can probably do it more or less, whatever feels comfortable for you.
Right.
Yeah, but it feels pretty nice, and it really like relaxes you down, I feel like.
Mm-hmm.
And so once you've kind of done that half of your face, you can move on to the other half of your face. And yeah.
Nice bedtime ritual.
For sure.
It's calming, soothing, helps your face, so many benefits to it. So we hope you give it a try and use that beauty oil, get those benefits in your skin, and you'll see some great results.
Wonderful. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.